and welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are good at home. Children, today we are going to learn about how to edit text in Microsoft Word 2016. So let's begin. Alright children, so seeing on the screen what we have Microsoft Word. This W that you can see, it stands for Word, and MS is Microsoft. It's a company, the largest company in software development. Okay, so this is Microsoft Word. So wherever you see this icon, you will understand this is the Microsoft Word, and we can create any kind of a document in this. We can create a letter, we can create books, we can create notices, anything that we want can be created in Microsoft Word. Now few things which are very basic for you to understand, children, that is how this Microsoft Word works. See, this, you can see file, home, insert, design. These are known as the tabs, and this whole, you can see, this is called as a ribbon. On this ribbon you have these tabs. So whichever the tab you click on, suppose I will click on file, your file tab will open. Means whatever the options you have in file, that will be opened. So children, I have clicked on file. These are the options that I have in file tab. Okay, so if I have to go to create a document, if I have to create a new document, where do I have to go? I have to go to this new option. Then I have to go to blank document. Once I click on this blank document, you will see a blank screen will appear on the screen. Now here you can start writing whatever you want to write. If you have to write some words for your friends, you want to write something for your parents, you want to write something for your teachers, so you can write it here. Now I am going to close it because already I have one document that has been created here. So few things again I want to tell you. The most important thing is here, this is known as quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, in this there are certain you can say options which are used again and again in Microsoft Word, like save. If you have to save your document, you have to keep it saved in your computer system for long, so you have to go for save. Undo and redo options. Undo means, I'm going to tell you later these functions. We don't have to understand much, so you have to understand about few things that I'm going to tell you today. This is, I told you about file, and in file there are some other features also. I'm going to tell you file, and I told you just now if you have to save. Suppose my document is already here, I want to save it. I'm going to go to save as option. Now save as option, and it is going to ask me where do I have to save my document. I am going to go to documents, and I can save and give my name, give a name to my file, and keep it saved in my documents with that name, right? So then you have print option. Print is if you want to print your document, you want to have a hard copy of this on a sheet of paper, you want to have this document, so then you have to go to print option, and your document has been selected, so it will appear like this, and you can go to print, and this will appear on a sheet of paper, but you need to have a printer for that. So I'm going to go back, children. So I'm going to just show you one thing, how can we type? So I'm going to go to file, I'm going to go to blank document, and I'm going to have a blank document here. Now if I want to write something, so you have to use your keyboard for that, so you can type whatever you want. Supposing I'm going to write it here, learning, okay, is like eating food, okay, eating food, then I can give full stop, right? I'm going to write down it is not how much you eat that matters. So learning is like eating food, it's not how much you eat that matters. Full stop. What counts is how much. See children, now what happened? I was typing, okay? So when it reached to this is, and automatically it moved on to the next line. I did not do anything, so it moved automatically to the next line. So it is, whatever you type in Microsoft, you keep on typing, it is going to go to the next lines, it is going to move on to the next lines automatically. So then it is how much you digest, okay? So this is just how we can type. So this is, I can select, click here and use your mouse, or you can use, if you are using a laptop, you can select it and then you can go here and you can make changes. You can make it 20, 25, 26, 28, whatever you want, and you can just go and change the color of this. I can make changes, I can make this color or this color, whichever color I want. I can go here and I can change the background color. So this way we can change, you know, our writing text also in Microsoft Word. So today I'm not going to tell you much, so you can practice. You can open your Microsoft Word document in your laptops or computer, and then you practice few things that I told you, how to open Microsoft Word, what is the icon, that is very important to understand, and then you have to understand how we can open a blank document, how can we write into it, how can we save. That's it. That's all for today, dear children. I hope you understood the topic well. And if you have any query, you can drop that query in the Google Classroom. So till then, take care of yourself. God bless you.